Tutorial number 6. Exploring the Rango app.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. Today we will discover the Rango app. In the Rango app, there are two tabs, one connection tab and one parameter tab. In the connection tab, at the bottom of the page is located the button Start Pairing in order to connect your Rango to the app. Once connected, in the parameter menu you can
Rango is connected.
make your Rango produce an audio cue, power off Rango, and unpair Rango to disconnect it. You can also access the Sweeping with Rango tutorial. Then, there is the user manual. You can also contact us directly from the app for any further information. Lastly, there is the app serial number and the Rango internal number in order to make sure that your Rango is correctly updated. The Rango app discovery is now over. See you soon for a new tutorial.